Isang nagbabagang balita, Miranda. Most recently, the United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission or CFTC ay nag-file ng kaso laban sa Binance at the CEO nitong si Changpeng Zhao for trading violations according sa isang Bloomberg report. Itong kaso na ito ay final sa US District Court for Northern District of Illinois. According sa CFTC at sa report ng Bloomberg, ang Binance ay hindi na-meet ang regulatory obligations nito sa hindi pag-register with the derivatives regulator. Yung cryptocurrency exchange has been focus of a CFTC investigation kung makatandaan natin Miranda since 2021. The exchange, in this case Binance, acknowledged in February that it would likely face regulatory action in the US and was already working with regulators. In addition, Miranda, the CFTC, Binance has been under investigation by the Internal Revenue Service and federal prosecutors who most recently examined the Binance's adherence to anti-money laundering rules or AMLA. Meanwhile, the Securities and Exchange Commission has been investigating whether si Binance allowed US traders to access unregistered securities. Alam mo Miranda na ang Binance ay isa sa pinakamalaking exchange in the whole world with almost $8.5 billion of trading volume. Yung price ng Bitcoin as of this writing is 27,041. Bumagsak ito since the announcement, falling from 27,781 as of 9:45 UTC to 26,755 in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Ito Miranda, yung kopya ng kaso na ipinalya sa United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois. Yung kaso ay nagkiklaim na si Binance di umano ay nag-conduct ng transactions in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin for persons in the United States since at least 2019 despite daw na policy of blocking or restricting US customers. Ang kumpanya di umano at yung mga executives nito ay intentionally nag-violate sa US law at sinabi sa kaso na all the while, Binance, Zhao at Selim, yung platform's Chief Compliance Officer or CCO, have each known that the Binance solicitation of customers located in the US should be subjected Binance to registration and regulatory requirements under US law. According doon sa kaso, Binance obscured the locations of its executive offices as well as the identities and locations of the entities operating the trading platform. The case also cites an internal Binance memo in which CZ di umano ay nag-state ng purpose of the policy is to keep countries clean of any violations by not landing .com anywhere. This is the main reason the .com does not land anywhere. Ika nga. Binance employs at least 60 people in the United States, Miranda, and that number continues to increase, the CFTC said in the suit. It also holds the US trademarks. Binance launched Binance.US arm in 2019. Pala Miranda, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe so you're updated for everything about cryptocurrency, technical analysis, fundamentals, and these types of new knowledge for you in crypto. Maraming salamat. Among the other charges Miranda made by the CFTC are the claims that Binance failed to register with the regulator and violated provisions of the Commodities Exchange Act and CFTC regulations, including daw yung legally mandated implementation of the anti-money laundering and know your customer AML or KYC controls. In addition, the defendants failed to supervise the company's activities adequately and willingly conducted activities beyond the US borders to evade daw ika nga yung mga US Commodities Exchange Act and took other actions to evade regulation. Yung kaso di umano ay nagsasabi na ang Binance daw ay nag-offer ng leverage to customers trading on the spot market at tinawag nila ang dalawang kategorya of product ito futures and swaps it called perpetuals. Di umano ito ay nag-allege din na Binance daw ay nag-trade on its own platform through approximately 300 house accounts that are all directly or indirectly owned by Zhao, as well as through accounts owned by entities Zhao owned or controlled. Binance did not disclose the activity to its customers. Sa isang report na inilathala sa Cointelegraph, sinabi din di umano na CFTC Global Markets Advisory Committee member Christopher Perkins na in a statement, while it's too early to opine on the merits of the CFTC case against Binance, we remain supportive of the principles-based regulation across the crypto industry. Quote-unquote, coming from the article quoted by Cointelegraph from CFTC Global Markets Advisory Committee. Ang CFTC ay also nagpe-press ng 7 counts for executing unregistered futures transactions, providing illegal commodities options, and failure to register as a futures commission merchant, designated contract market or swap execution facility, and also failure to supervise diligently or implement AMLA and KYC measures and law evasion. Habang nangyayari ang mga balitang ito, makikita na si CZ ay nag-tweet ng number 4 sa kanyang Twitter profile at tumatandaan natin natin yung number 4 na ito ay potentially nangangahulugan lang. Ignore food or FUD, fake news and attacks, etc. na sinulat din niya na nakapin sa kanyang Twitter profile na as of January 3 kung saan sinasabi niya he will try to keep 2023 simple, spend more time on less things and do's and don'ts. Number 4, sinabi niya doon, ignore FUD, fake news, attacks, and etc. We're going to monitor Miranda on other developments coming from Binance on their perspective about this article and news, and we'll keep you all posted. More to come on this Miranda. Ito po ay isang developing story. We're going to add more information. Ako ay maglalathala ng isa pang article or video in terms of my perspective at aking mga pananaw kung ano bang gagawin natin sa ating mga funds within the Binance platform. Of course, ating ituturing na ito ay isang balita at tayo ay magpo-observe pa, Miranda, ng mga susunod na mangyayari at we will make sure to keep you posted on what's going to be happening next over the next couple of days and even weeks. Maraming salamat, Miranda, at binabati ko nga pala ang mga sumusunod na nanood at nag-iwan ng comment sa ating video na Binance is down, what's happening? Kay Joey Galang, kay Zendrich, kay Moon, at kay Kruyako, Son Shui, maraming salamat. Kay Romel Tagas, kay Pertasio Cradis, John Mendoza, Santi, at kay William Avancenia, kay JR Lewis, Danilo, and of course kay Joey Galang. If you would like me to read your comments, please iwan lang kayo ng comments sa ating mga video, Miranda, and I'll make sure I'll spend time with them for all of you. And I would like to acknowledge and I would like to appreciate the article written in Cointelegraph na atin pong inalathala dito sa ating show. Ito pong mga balita na ito ay straight from Cointelegraph and also coming from other sources na diretso na mismo coming from the article or the document released coming from CFTC filed to the United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois. Maraming salamat, Miranda, and I love you 3,000.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda.